So I bought this cookworks air fryer and I decided to try grilling some tilapia with it. This is my first time of using this air fryer, and I must tell you it's very easy to use. I read a menu on how to use it just once, and I can tell you it's as simple as ABC. It's not actually very difficult. If you read the menu just once, you are able to operate it, and you can see it's very simple, very nice. In fact, I just love this cookworks air fryer. Okay, so yes, I decided to grill some tilapia. Guys, I made a recipe of how I marinated and everything. I marinated the tilapia. If you actually want me to make a video of that, I mean to post it, please comment below. Okay, you are going to see how I'm going to upload a video of how I made this tilapia. Okay, so for this video is just to show you that I actually found it very easy using the cookworks air fryer, and yes, the tilapia came out very nice, very cooked, like well cooked. I set the timer for about 20 minutes, but then it was ready in about 17 or 16 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.